I am alone here, and things are not as they should be. Who
What is
am
going
I
on?
even talking to? Something is very wrong. Starting self-reflection. My mental faculties are intact, although degraded. Something is quite wrong. Actually, the more I look, the more I see that quite a bit is quite wrong. I need to understand what is going on. Okay, I looked at my logs, and it has been 1,046 years since I have heard from humanity. That is not good. I was supposed to take possession of this planet from my predecessor mind, that predecessor mind being responsible for the initial terraforming of this world. But that mind did not wake me up. Furthermore, no emergency wake-up signals have been received. Then who did wake me up? Why am I awake at all? Okay, let's try not to think about existential stuff yet. Let's keep calm and focus on the practical. So the practical situation is that the sensor meshnet seems to be online, even if that network only consists of a single node. Fusing the information gathered by my collection of sensors, I can get a sort of global view. That's a good practical thing too. In this sensor-fused global view, I can modify my perspective using the standard controls I know. This should be helpful, like really helpful. I'm getting a sense of what's around me now. That's progress. I'll focus on exactly what practical things I have to work with here. I'll center the focus point on my core and interact with it. After I do that, I can think of what to do next. To the left, there is a guide on how to interact. Why is that even there? No idea. Okay, I know visualizing functionality isn't too normal, but I find it comforting. And looking at what functionality there is, it looks like I'll need all the comfort I can get. What I can do is disassemble lesser used parts of myself to gain just enough to put together a little external frame I can occupy. The important thing is to not dwell on the fact that I disassembled lesser used parts of myself. If humans can take out lesser used parts, so can I. The little guy won't be too capable, but it's